Everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next pyq of real analysis asked in csirnet June 2024. So our question is, if an is a bounded sequence of real number and limit n tends to infinity, an does not exist, and let s is equals to L belongs to real number, so that a subsequence of an which is convergent to L, then which of the following are correct? Here in the sequence which is bounded but its limit does not exist. So if we take the sequence an is equals to -1 to the power n. Here we see the sequence is bounded but it is not convergent. If we take the subsequence of this an, let's say a of 2n, which is equals to 1, 1, 1 and so on, and if we take a n is equals to -1, -1, -1 and so on, a of 2n minus 1, we get this. Here we see first option, S is an empty set. No, this is incorrect because we get the set which is not empty. If exactly one element, S have exactly one element. No, we see this is have two element. Now two option left, S has at least two sets or S have to be finite set. So if we take an example, a of n is equals to 1 plus -1 to the power n. If we take the sequence, then we see a of 2n is equals to what? 0, 0, 0 and so on, 0. A of n is equals to what? 2, 0, 2, 0 and so on. If we take a of 2n plus 1, if we take odd, here we get what? If we take even, we get, if we take odd, we get this, and if we take even, what we get? We get 2, 2, 2 and so on. So here we see there's many sequence we get. It can be finite or it can be infinite. So finite option is not correct. This type we can draw lots of sequence. So this option is incorrect. Here at least 2, this correct. At least means it's 2 or more than 2, it's can anything. It's finite or infinite. But finite word is not suitable here. We can find more the sequence here, or we can find infinite many sequence here, but its finite value is not correct. So C option is correct. So this is a solution of this question based on sequence and boundedness of the sequence and subsequence. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.